HSE Systems Fundamentals for Fire, Training Course. By Dr. Sama Tawfiq. Trainer Biography. Dr. Sama Tawfiq is an assistant professor, an engineering expert of mechanical engineering at the Arab Academy for Science Technology and Maritime Transport in Alexandria, Egypt. He received his PhD in mechanical engineering from the University of Alexandria. His research interests include cryogenic gas processing, refrigeration, air conditioning and firefighting, and thermodynamics. Dr. Sama Tawfiq has published several papers in peer-reviewed journals and conferences. In addition to his teaching and research duties, Dr. Sama Tawfiq is also a consultant in the field of mechanical engineering. He has worked on a variety of projects, including the design and construction of cryogenic gas processing plants, firefighting, refrigeration and air conditioning systems for commercial and industrial buildings. Dr. Sama Tawfiq is a highly respected member of his community. He is known for his dedication to his students and his commitment to excellence in research and teaching. Course objectives. 1. Identify fire operating systems and tools requirements and configuration standards. 2. Use and operate fire operating system functionalities as per the set protocols and guidelines. 3. Assist end users by providing technical support and rectifying simple troubleshoots. 4. Provide recommendations and system functional requirements to enhance the fire systems and tools. Course contents. 1. Overview of health, safety, and environmental systems for firefighting. 2. Firefighting equipment and tools requirements and standards. 3. Principles of fire operation systems. 4. Protocols and guidelines for fire operation system functions. 5. Utilizing fire operation system functions. 6. Maintenance and inspection of firefighting equipment. 7. Emergency response procedures and coordination. 8. Practical scenarios and case studies. Course schedule. Day 1. 1. Overview of health, safety, and environmental systems for firefighting. 2. Firefighting equipment and tools requirements and standards. 3. Principles of fire operation systems. 4. Protocols and guidelines for fire operation system functions. Day 2. 1. Utilizing fire operation system functions. 2. Maintenance and inspection of firefighting equipment. 3. Emergency response procedures and coordination. 4. Practical scenarios and case studies. Methodology and training techniques. Lecture. Instructor presents information through a presentation, videos or talk. Demonstration. Instructor shows how to perform a task or process. Group discussion. Learners share ideas and experiences in a facilitated discussion. Case studies. Learners analyze real-world scenarios to apply their knowledge. Overview of health, safety, and environmental systems for firefighting. Safety protocols. Comprehensive training on protective equipment and emergency procedures. Environmental considerations. Evaluating and mitigating environmental impact of firefighting operations. Health monitoring. Continuous health surveillance and exposure monitoring for firefighters. Firefighting equipment and tools requirements and standards. Explore the essential firefighting equipment and tools required to effectively combat fires, with a focus on industry standards and best practices for selection, usage, and maintenance. 1. Understand the key categories of firefighting equipment, such as extinguishers, hoses, nozzles, and personal protective gear. 2. Review the safety and performance requirements set by industry organizations for each type of equipment. 3. Discover the importance of proper equipment configuration, testing, and upkeep to ensure optimal readiness and effectiveness. Principles of fire operation systems. 1. Core components. Sensors, alarms, control panels, and communication systems. 2. System functions. Detect, alert, suppress, and monitor fire emergencies. 3. Redundancy and failsafes. Backup power, alternative communication channels, and fail-safe mechanisms. 4. Interoperability. Integration with other building systems for coordinated response. Protocols and guidelines for fire operation system functions. 1. Emergency activation. Clear protocols for initiating fire operation systems in emergencies. 2. Operational procedures. Step-by-step guidelines for safely operating fire control panels. 3. Monitoring and maintenance. Regular inspections and upkeep to ensure system reliability. 4. Coordination with first responders. Integrated communication protocols with firefighters and EMTs. Utilizing fire operation system functions. 1. Inspect systems. Thoroughly examine fire operation components and ensure proper functioning. 2. Simulate scenarios. Practice emergency response procedures in realistic simulated environments. 3. Maintenance tips. Learn techniques to maintain and troubleshoot fire operation systems. Maintenance and inspection of firefighting equipment. 1. Routine checks. Inspect equipment daily to ensure proper functioning. 2. Maintenance. Perform scheduled maintenance as per manufacturer guidelines. 3. Inspection protocols. Follow standard protocols for comprehensive equipment checks. Emergency response procedures. 1. Assess the situation. Quickly evaluate the emergency, identify risks, and determine appropriate response. 2. Activate emergency protocols. Initiate established procedures for fire, medical, or other emergencies. 3. Coordinate with authorities. Communicate with firefighters, police, and other first responders to ensure a unified effort. 4. Manage evacuation. Direct personnel to designated safe areas and count for all individuals. 5. Provide first aid. Administer basic medical care to injured individuals until professional help arrives. Practical scenarios and case studies. 1. Simulation exercises. Hands-on training with simulated fire incidents and emergency response procedures. 2. Case study reviews. Analyze real-world case studies of firefighting operations and lessons learned. With my best regards, Dr. Sama Tawfiq.